Welcome to a quick dive into Microsoft Copilot, the powerful AI chatbot that's completely free to use. Whether you're writing content, summarizing text, creating images, or browsing the web, Copilot can help you with a multitude of tasks. To get started, head over to copilot.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. This allows you to ask more questions and have extended conversations with Copilot. Once signed in, you'll see this chat box where you can ask anything. By default, Copilot is set to balanced mode, perfect for everyday tasks. If you need creativity or precision, switch to creative or precise modes. For example, if you run a bake shop and need strategies to boost customer loyalty, just type in your query. Copilot will give you detailed suggestions combining its knowledge base and web searches. You can follow up on any response. If you want more details on social media marketing, just ask, and Copilot will provide a thorough breakdown. Switch to creative mode for tasks like brainstorming a story. Copilot can suggest potential consequences for a time travel plot, adjusting the tone to fit your needs. Need a logo? Ask Copilot to create one. It can generate multiple options, and you can even edit them in Microsoft Designer. Upload an image, and Copilot will analyze it, providing insights and relevant web links. Upgrade to Copilot Pro for enhanced features in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Powered by GPT-4. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of Microsoft Copilot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.